All right, so we're gonna put our Stromboli together, okay? What I got here is I got a basic pizza dough. You can go ahead and you can look up a pizza dough online, make your own pizza dough. You wanna roll it in a square like this, or you can buy it, okay? It's very simple, it's very easy, okay? And like we have the other ingredients too that are over here. So we're gonna start off by making our sauce, okay? I got our diced tomatoes. We're gonna put that inside the pan, all right? I also have our crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in the pan. So the cool mixture of the two, all right, is gonna be what's gonna be nice, and it's gonna create that texture. Okay, I got some garlic. That's going in. Okay. Now normally I would use some fresh basil. Okay, I couldn't find fresh basil. Well, guess what? They have Italian herbs in little tubes. So we're just gonna put some simple Italian herbs inside here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and you can put that right inside here. All right. Now what you can see is that I'm cooking with judgment, okay? What's the difference between baking and cooking? Baking is a formula, it's a science, okay? If I put a handful of baking soda in a cake mix, what's gonna happen? Boom. All right, if I put a handful of peas in here right now, what's gonna happen? Well, I guess you like peas, right? Okay? So very basic, very simple sauce. Diced tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. We got our Italian herbs, or basil. You normally just put basil, some garlic. I got some salt. I'm just gonna put that right here. All right, once the sauce simmers, okay, and you get to taste it, you can always adjust the seasoning, okay, salt and pepper. All right, and we're just gonna mix that up. And we're gonna simmer this, all right, until all those flavors come out, okay? I forgot to tell you about one person. Here's my producer and editor that's filming this, and I'm gonna take this, and we're gonna turn this around. This is my 12-year-old Maggie.
Hi.
Okay, so she's the one that does all my videos for me, okay? So, we have that. Let's form the Stromboli, okay? It's very simple, very easy. Once again, what we're gonna do is we got some ham. All right, you can put different meats. The best thing about this dish, all right, that we're gonna do, okay, with the Stromboli, is that we can put different things inside of this. You could take this is a traditional, with all these meats, this is gonna be a traditional Stromboli. But what if I take this and I make like a cheeseburger Stromboli, or I make a Reuben Stromboli with sauerkraut and dressing, all right? Or you can make all sorts of different things. So use your imagination, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and layer out some ham, just like so. Very simple. All right, and I got some salami. We'll put some salami all over this, just like so. All right, you want to spread everything out so they cook evenly. All right, you don't want to overstack this because it won't cook. All right, and we're going to go ahead and add some pepperoni. Once again, use your imagination when you're making this. If you want to take this pizza dough and you go ahead and buy a pizza dough and you want to put different things in it, you could do a buffalo chicken Stromboli. All right, you could do a barbecue pulled pork and cheddar Stromboli. The world is endless, okay? So we're just going to layer this out, okay? We don't want to get it too thick. All right, next thing, I'm going to go ahead and take this buffalo mozzarella cheese. All right, they call it buffalo mozzarella cheese. It's nice and fresh. We're going to spread this out just like so. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure that's nice and even. You wanna spread the cheese out. All right, so you wanna leave some corners around here too. All right, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and turn this. Okay, I got all my ingredients in here. Let's put a little bit more cheese in there. All right. All right, so now I'm just gonna turn this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll it. See how you take that first part, and then I just kind of put the ends in, just like so. So everything stays in, stays nice and tucked. All right, and then we're just gonna roll this. Boom, so now I got a nice log, okay? So what I'm gonna do, we got our sauce going, okay? We have our Stromboli all made. I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to bake it off at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes to a half an hour. Once it's cooked, it's going to come out, and I'm going to show you how to plate it up.